Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I haven't posted in a while on this channel. I've been posting on my new channel because I've been trying to get it up. But welcome back to my channel anyways. Today I want to tell you guys about this product right here. You already know me, I be trying new things. And this right here is the Royal Purple Max Restore Fuel System Treatment. High mileage, restores fuel economy, extends engine life, lower emission, maximum cleaning power. And you know, let me get to the point. I don't got no time to waste on you guys. Do this stuff work? Do this product works? I bought it at Walmart. It was like 11 and change, and yes, it does works. It works. I was basically getting about 22 miles, like about 22 miles per gallon I was getting doing highway. And I was like, yo, this is not right. I was like saying to myself, this is not right. You know, I do my best to keep up with my car, but I noticed that my gas mileage, I'm not getting the correct MPG gas mileage, you know, miles per gallon. So I told myself, you know what? And I had did my oil change, and I had used Pennzoil full synthetic 5W30. That's my first time ever using Pennzoil, changing my oil. I just wanted to do something different. I didn't want to go with the Castrol or Mobil 1 or the Royal Purple. So I was like, you know what, let me go for Pennzoil and see. And you know, the car runs, you know, it drives, it still feels nice, still feels smooth. But I noticed that my gas mileage, I wasn't getting the right number. So I was like, you know what, let me go to Walmart and let me go pick this up. This is the high mileage one now, guys. What I noticed, oh yeah, as I was saying, I was getting 22 miles highway, and I was getting less city. I was getting way less city. Highway, I was getting like about 22 miles per gallon, which usually I get like 25, 26. It goes up and down, you know, 27, 28. It goes up and down. So I was like 22 miles. Like, that's not enough for me doing highway. I went to Walmart. I bought this. Make sure you drop it in your tank. Pour the whole thing in your tank when you're on low fuel. So when your light come on and you're on low fuel, when you go head into the gas station, you pop this open, drop all of it in the tank, and then you fill up. This is good. This treats up to 20 gallon. I'm sorry, I'm sweating. It's hot. So I got the window up over here because it was showing the glare in the camera. But sorry about that. Excuse me with that one. But it treats up to 20. Sorry, you guys can't see. I'm gonna switch around my camera. It treats up to 20 gallons. So I don't even know how much my tank is, but I had filled up the other day. The gas was like $1.79. I fill up. So it used like $25 had filled my tank. I had got like 14 point something gallon of fuel. Spent like $26. And I filled my tank, and I drove the car. Well, my sister drove it. I drove home. Then the next day they went to church. Was it the same day? It probably was the same day. So it was Sunday. Sunday they went to church, and then after church they went all the way. They went deep in Miami. I live all the way in Broward, Fort Lauderdale. They went to my cousin's house in Miami. It's Clutter Bay. It's far. It's like maybe about depends on traffic, 45 minutes to an hour. It's far. And it depends on traffic too, so it's a distance. They drove all the way down there. I end up getting When I filled the tank, it was 200. I have 288 miles when I filled the tank. And they drove to the church, which is like maybe about 10 minutes away on Sunday. And then from the church, they went to all the way Clutter Bay, all the way down deep in Miami. And they drove all the way down there. They drove all the way back. And the next day, I drove the car. I don't know where else they went. I'm just saying the major place that they went. The next day, I had like 191 miles. And when I was taking my sister to work, to the airport, I saw that when I hop on the highway, the miles per gallon that the data was showing on my car, I was getting 26, like about 26.1 miles per gallon on the highway. So that's how I know that it works. So, and what I also noticed too, they're not lying about the emission, because I noticed. Let me switch the camera. You see what they say right here? Lowers emission. They are telling the truth with it lowers emission. My car, my car is an old car. This is a 2008. You guys should know. This is 2008 Toyota Avalon, right? And when I be accelerating, say that I'm about to hop on the highway. The highway is like 60 to 70 miles per hour. So when you hop on the highway, you have to accelerate. Or even if I'm not even on the highway, say that I just want to pull out, do a quick takeoff. Sometimes you could smell the exhaust. You could smell the fumes from the exhaust, and that's the emission. And I noticed that smell, and I was like, yo, if I was in another state, I know I would have had to take my car to the shop. So since I dropped, so far, this is day what? This is day Sunday. Yesterday was Monday. Today's Tuesday, day 3. I've been doing that because I've been dropping my sister to work. Sometime I went and go and pick her up as well. And I've been driving my car, accelerate, do a little hard acceleration to see if I could smell the fumes, the emission, the muffler. When I said nothing, I didn't smell nothing at all. So I said this Royal Purple right here, it did the job. It really got the job done. So it really works, guys, 100%. I really recommend this product. You guys could try it. I know a lot of states do like emission tests. If you know that you have any emission problems, you smell your vehicle is kind of a certain smell is coming from the exhaust pipe. It's normal when you just start up your engine, you smell it. The car got to heat up and everything. It's normal for that. But while you drive, and sometimes if you have your AC on and you have the circulation off, and you get to a stoplight or so, and you start smelling some type of fumes coming from your car, that's your emission right there. It's coming from the muffler. I say give this one a try. It's a lower emission. Give it a try, guys. It cleans the whole system. As it say right there. Oh my goodness, there we go. Restore fuel economy up to 5.9%. Reduces wear, extends engine life, lower emission up to 18.3%. Maximum cleaning power. They also have another another one. I think it costs more, because this one was like $11 at Walmart. They have another one like in a bigger bottle. It also, I've been reading some reviews on it, and it said what they say, they said that it works even better than this one, the reviews that I've been seeing. But so far, as I said, this one right here, it works for me. If it works for me, it might work for you. You know, every vehicle is different. Everybody problems is different. But if you have an older car with high mileage, and you know, the idle as well too. I notice my idle, like sometimes when I get to a stop sign, my vehicle will shake a little bit. You know, you feel a little vibration. I notice I don't even feel that no more. So this stuff right here, it works. I guarantee it works for me. It might work for you, I don't know, but it works, guys. And it tells you the directions for the entire container, contents into nearly empty fuel tank, then fill fuel tank with fuel. Minimum recommended dose is one 6-ounce bottle to 20 gallons of fuel. The maximum effects dose is 1 6-ounce bottle to 10 gallon of fuel. Use every 3,000 miles. So basically, every time when it's time to do my oil change, I could run and I could also purchase a bottle like this and pour it in my tank every time when it's time. Every time to do an oil change, 3,000 miles. I run my car 5,000 miles because I use full synthetic. So, but further ado, anyways, what I was saying about the other one is a bigger one, and it tells you, the other one tells you use it every 10,000. So the other one is even stronger than this one. I guess it's stronger and it's even better. I guess a stronger cleaning power. That's what I'm thinking. Could clean up your the fuel injectors and everything. It cleans up. And it tells you everything. It said high mileage fuel treatment is recommended concentrated high performance fuel system cleaner that is specially formulated to solve performance problems tropically found in higher mileage vehicles, such as reduced fuel economy, increases, I'm sorry that the camera don't want to focus, increases emissions, engine wear, and lost performance. It contains high doses of polyethylene. I don't even know how to say that. Amine, PEA, and proprietary detergent that quickly cleans stubborn long-term deposits that clogs PFI and GDI. I know the GDI is mostly like in some German cars like Kias, the Genesis, the Hyundais. Those are GDI. They have GDI vehicles, injectors and stuff. I can't even see. I can't even read it. Okay, injectors and build up on intake valves and parts. This robust formula also provides a protective barrier to keep new deposits from forming. The net results is restore power and performance, reduce emissions, smoother idle. See, I didn't even know that, but I felt it. I noticed my car runs different, especially when I hit a stoplight. The car do not idle. It doesn't like give me that little vibration no more. So it said reduce emission, smoother idle, and quicker / reduce wear, help extend engine life and improve fuel economy, max restore high mileage, also stabilize ethanol, which chemically break down to cause harmful effects in an engine. For higher level of deposit removal on intake valve, combustion chambers, and piston crowns, Royal Purple Max Clean is recommended. Guys, this stuff really works. Check it out. I don't want to hold you guys up. It really works. It really does. It really does. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I already used it. I will be looking forward for you to use the other one that give you 10,000 miles, because this stuff actually works. But thank you guys for watching, man. I really got to catch up on you guys' video. I know I've been missing in action. That's because I've been building, doing my best. Look, I'm sweating like crazy. I've been doing my best to build my other channel. I've been doing my best, and it's hard out here, man. It's hard out here in these streets to, you know, create another channel and do your thing. I did a full video on this on my other channel. I showed that I shopped. I went to Walmart. I shopped at Walmart. I bought it. I drove. I show all the data, everything. I drove to the gas station. I show you guys how much was the price of the gas. It was like $1.79. They changed it. It was like $2.79. And once I did everything and paid the money, put the money in and everything, it dropped to like $1.79. It probably switched back to $2 something now. But yeah, that's on my old channel though. That's on my new channel. My new channel, I show all that data and show the video. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. I really do have to catch up on you guys' video. I really do. I'm sorry I've been missing in action, but you know, we are busy, so I know you guys understand. You guys get the drift, you know. I gotta catch up on you guys' video. I really do. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. For real.